What's up everyone, Garrett here from Code the Web, and if you guys remember last year we did the Web Design Trends series. Now the great thing about web design is that it's always changing, it's always evolving, and things are always moving forward. So that said, get ready because now we're doing the Web Design Trends series for 2015. So to start things off, we're going to be taking a look at Google's material design. And now I don't want to go too into detail of what this is and how it works because I've got an entire mini-series type of thing planned to take a deeper look into Google's material design, and we can actually make some really cool things with it. So here I just want to give you an overall gist of it, and then we're going to show you guys some examples like usual. So what is it? Basically, it's just Google's newest design practice. It's their newest way of doing design. Google was a huge pioneer of flat design and bringing flat design to be something that was seen all across the internet with Android and Google's online services. And they're back at it again with what they've called material design, which is just the next version of, I guess, flat design or something like that. So here we have this right here is a personal website. This person designed, I guess, a personal website, could be a blog, could be whatever it is, but they've made this and it's using material design, and you'll notice that it does look a lot like flat design, but there are some drop shadows, there are some elements that are a little bit different, and overall it gives it more depth, which is something that, while flat design is great, it is missing the depth aspect of things. So next, this is what I believe is a messenger, like a chat online application or something, and this once again is using material design. Similar, you'll see the drop shadows a little bit, you'll see the colors are kind of the same throughout. One thing that material design does do is they do have a set color palette that you can use, or that they encourage you to use, and so the idea is that no matter what color you use, everything will go very, very well together. So this here is kind of, now this next section is what I think material design will be very, very good at, or what it'll be best at. One is apps for the phone, for the tablet, whatever, and also web apps. So I think websites definitely can use material design and do look really good with it, but I think it'll be best at general apps for tablets and phones and web apps. So here's a dashboard app that someone designed, very, very talented, very, very good. Here's another dashboard, a little bit different. This is more for a company management, as you can see by the title right there, and I guess right here it just displays all of the company's members or the team or whatever it is. Here is yet another dashboard, and while I'm showing you a lot of dashboards, I want you guys to see what can be done with material design. Notice the patterns that carry over, such as white space, the flat design aspect of it, and drop shadows to add more depth. But yet again, like, this is another same thing, dashboard, just the same, but done differently and done brilliantly, I think. Here's another dashboard, but this, while it still has some of the same aspects of flat design and the drop shadows and whatnot, it's done very differently than this or this. And it looks really, really good. It looks very different. It looks like it's its own thing, and it looks incredible. So this is a web app. It looks like it might be a dashboard or maybe a calendar or something like that, but whatever. It is a web app, which is, again, what I think material design will work best at. So these next three that I'm going to show you are actually real websites that I'm sure you use on a daily basis, but imagined as if they were designed with material design. So here's YouTube. Notice that although it is done with material design, it looks really, really flat. It's just a different flat design than what YouTube currently has. So like I said before, I think material design will be best for apps and web apps and things like that. And while it definitely can be done for websites, I think flat design, traditional flat design, is fine. So there's YouTube. Then we have Amazon, which also looks really, really good. And notice how with flat design, the traditional flat design that designers use now, it's very clean, it's very sophisticated at the same time, yet I think material design kind of builds on that and makes it even cleaner and even more sophisticated at the same time. And then lastly, we have Facebook, which looks brilliant. I mean, you can kind of just see exactly what I'm saying, is that it looks a lot cleaner. but a lot more sophisticated at the same time. So that's it for this video. Thanks you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe and watch some other videos that I've done in the past. Links and stuff will be on on the screen right there now. And then also make sure you follow and like us on Twitter and Facebook, because I'm going to have a lot of content there that I don't put in the videos. So definitely check those out and give them a follow, give them a like. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. So, peace.